What do you want? Why do I have to do it? It's your job. Fine. My shift starts in the basement in 10. I'll dispose of it then. No one will see. Oh my gosh, you scared the shit out of me. What are you doing here?
I don't know. What are you doing here?
I'm working, remember?
Oh, right.
What did you think I was doing?
Honestly, I thought you were dragging a dead body. Kidding. Obviously, you were just doing your job. Like, why would you even have a dead body?
Yeah, dragging bodies isn't exactly a hobby of mine.
I'm gonna go.
Okay, bye.